Hey, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and this is a quick video tutorial on how to add, edit, move, and delete categories to customize the estimator as needed for your projects. Our Repair Estimator comes pre-built with starter templates that come with a list of common categories and repair items. If you need to customize these categories, you can add your own categories, edit category names, move categories, and delete categories. First, let's talk about adding new categories. If you need to add a new category, you will find an Add New Category button at the bottom of the estimator. Once you click the Add New Category button, a modal window will pop up where you can add the new category name and then choose the area where you want the category to be added. I'm going to add a new category name called Man Cave, and then I'm going to add it to the Interior section. Now I'm going to go click over to the Interiors tab and then scroll down to the bottom where you'll find my newly added Man Cave category. Now that we've added the category, we can move the category to wherever we want inside the estimator. If you want to edit a category name, you can change the name by clicking the Edit icon on the right hand side. Let's say we're changing from Man Cave and now we're going to change it to the Kids Room. Now that we have the Kids Room category added, we can add repair items and unit prices to the category. You can add as many categories, subcategories, and repair items as you need to your estimator database. But what if you want to simplify the estimator and delete categories that you don't use? So for example, maybe you don't ever buy properties with swimming pools. You can delete the pool category from your estimator database. Now remember, when you delete the category, it's going to delete all of the subcategories, the repair items, the unit prices, and the notes in that category. So make sure you want to actually delete that category before you permanently delete it from your database. But once you click the delete button, you'll be prompted with a warning just in case. And remember, once you customize your database with your categories and repair items, you can save your estimator database as a template to be used on future projects. If you have any questions about adding, editing, or deleting categories, shoot us a message in chat or send us an email.